Hey everybody, this is a real quick video to show you how to do a hard reset on your Wahoo Element Bolt. Keeping in mind, this will return it to its factory default settings. All of your past workouts and everything like that, all of your settings will all be deleted. So only do this if you really need to, but if you're having like major issues with it not working and you've tried other things, this is an option that can fix a lot of problems. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go into the settings menu. And once you go into the settings menu, you're going to choose the system info option. And once you go to the system info option, it's going to open up a menu that looks like this. And you're going to scroll down and click the factory reset. Now, once you click on factory reset, it is going to ask you to confirm it. And once you confirm it, it's going to wipe every single thing off of it, and then it's going to reboot it. So only do that as a matter of last resort, but that's how you do it. Hope this helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.